this nation need an economic stimulus package with smart investments passed as soon as possible. Smart investments that would ensure that students have class sizes that don't swell to unmanageable levels. Smart investments that would provide children with special needs with the staff and programs they require. That would allow an intense focus on low-performing schools and a commitment to make every single school safe, orderly, and modern. And smart investments that would guarantee that higher education is affordable and accessible. We are very encouraged that President-elect Obama included education, healthcare, and other vital services as smart investments in his major speech last week on the economy. Obama made clear a call to build 21st century classrooms as an important step in preparing our children for the jobs of tomorrow. Now, why do I sound so urgent and so passionate about this? Because Florida, as well as 45 other states, are in desperate straits. We are facing the worst economic cataclysm that we have faced since the Great Depression. And that is why we need partners all across this country to help solve this problem so that kids don't have the rug pulled out from under them. Today, Andy Ford and I met with Governor Crist this morning, and we had a very positive, productive conversation about working together, hand in hand, Republican and Democrat, to get this stimulus package passed and get the much-needed funds that Florida very desperately needs and Florida's schools very desperately need. Other than working with Governor Crist, we're going to work with governmental leaders across this country. We're going to take this fight to the very people who can prevent devastating cuts that would have punishing effects for years to come. This is truly a fight for America's future. A Florida teacher said that because of the economy, many of her students have difficulty doing their homework because their electricity has been turned off, while others are left alone at night because their parents are working extra jobs. These parents and these kids did not create this economic crisis. They should not have to suffer because of it. That's why we need an economic stimulus package. Take the University of Florida. They've announced eliminating over 400 faculty and staff positions and decreasing funding for financial aid services, disability services, and internships. Student enrollments, I understand, at the University of Florida and Florida State are significantly down. We need to reverse that. College accessibility is a critical component for all of our young adults, particularly our young adults in Florida. And take one of the counties I've heard about today. I know that, Andy, you represent 65 of the 67 counties in Florida. In Manatee County, business, technology, art, and music classes have been cut. Some schools have eliminated media specialists, guidance counselors, and there are fewer reading coaches for students struggling with literacy. Students don't get a second shot. Students are only 5 once. They're only 10 once. If we want to have a country that has a global future, if we want to promise that opportunity for kids, we have to give them that opportunity now.